Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. In today's video, I will unbox some new handbags with you guys. So I've been wanting to try this trendy handbag brand, JW Pei. This brand has been everywhere. I feel like it's been on Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok, and I saw a lot of influencers are using their handbags, and I just want to incorporate some of their trendy styles into my OOTD outfit posts. So this time I ordered 3 different styles from JW Pei, and I'm super excited. I just can't wait to show you what's in order. So let's move on to the first handbag. And here's the first handbag. This is the Gabbi Handbag, one of their best-selling styles. This color is ivory, and it's very minimal but with a lot of details. I love the material, even though it's vegan leather, but it feels pretty weighty, pretty thick, and quality is really good. This is, I mean, a little bit beyond my expectation because this handbag is only $89 and this color is ivory, so it's like very easy to style. I can wear it for different outfits in spring and summer, especially maybe some winter looks, but I would definitely do it for warmer weather. This handbag is not like very sizable, but I think it's a good size for like everyday range. You can fit in your wallet, cell phone, like small makeup, like lipstick, fragrance, things like that. So it's like a very decent size for every day. I got this bag mostly for my Instagram posts, but if you're looking for like an everyday bag, this size is just like okay. So just for a reference. And then let's take a look of this interior, and it has some paper here. Let's remove this. And the disclosure is magnetic, so you can just easily open and close. Very easy to use. And there is like a little compartment. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but there is like a little compartment here. You can put your maybe ID, card holder, like smaller stuff here. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this Gabbi handbag. This is highly recommended. It has different colors. I know like JW Pei, they have a whole bunch of neutrals, but they also do like bold, bright or neon colors. It's a very, I feel like it's a very young, energetic, and trendy brand. So for the first look, I'm pretty happy with the quality and the style, the look of it. It's just the same, exactly the same with its website pictures. Very good. So one thing I really love about JW Pei, this brand, they got so many outfit inspirations on their website. So when I was ordering the handbags, I can check out these photos and see if these styles and color palettes would work for my personal style. Up next, this is a shoulder bag. I think this is a very minimal handbag, can be worn with so many different outfits again, and the color is like warm brown. It's got some crocodile texture on both sides, and also the strap. And the strap, I think it's adjustable. I'm not sure if I can adjust this or not, but it looks like this one is detachable like this. Honestly, I feel like the hardware and the material look a little less quality, less premium than the first Gabbi handbag, but it's actually cheaper. It's only $59. But I still think this is a deal. You can still wear this handbag like a lot, and for the price you pay, you still got a very nice handbag. And I think they have different like brighter colors for spring. Highly recommend brighter colors. If I were to purchase again, I would definitely do like the mint green, neon green, and it looks very trendy. But this handbag is like a safe choice if you are not sure, you just wanna get a handbag from this brand and just test it out. I think this will be a great handbag to start with because it's cheaper and the style is like pretty versatile. I think I can dress it up or down, you know, so many different occasions to wear this handbag. The sizes, it's not like a lot bigger than the Gabbi handbag, but for the design with the like zip closure, it's just like more sizable than the first handbag. So Let's remove the interior. So for the interior, it still has the side compartment here. It's fully lined, and also here is their logo, JW Pei, on the side. So this is pretty sizable. This can fit more makeup, more like everyday stuff. I can just put like a small fragrance, a full-size wallet, maybe 1 or 2 phones, things like that. So I would say if you're looking for something that's more for everyday, not just an Instagram photo or Pinterest photo, this handbag is like a better deal. Very lightweight, very spacious, and the style is like very minimal, and you won't go wrong with this handbag. And it's only $59. And here's the last style, and this is a mini flap in green color. It also has this croco print, croco texture on both sides. And here's the bottom. You see there's like 2 different compartments, and this is like a pretty mini size. I'm not sure this can fit all my stuff, but it looks pretty trendy, and the quality is so good. It just looks expensive and it feels expensive at hand. And I feel like the details, all the hardware, and the leather they use, the vegan leather of course, and just the closure, everything. And the interior is also lined with vegan leather. $89, and you got this luxury handbag quality. Let's see what's inside. And here there's like a small compartment. It's zip closure, and you can put your ID or some cash in this compartment, which is really good. I love this design. So it's divided. You probably can put like less items, but everything will be more organized. It's just like a very different design. So in the front compartment, you can see there's like a small side pouch where you can put maybe just your phone or your credit card, things like that. And here's the strap. Let's see how the strap looks like. Okay. And its strap is pretty wide. I think it'll be comfortable when you're wearing it. If there's like weighty items in your handbag. And for the vegan leather material, overall I think it looks very soft, very much like real leather, but they're vegan, they're sustainable. And these hardware, it's got the JW Pei logo on the side, very detailed. And this color looks like a little bit too shiny to me, but it's okay. It works well with the green color, and I can just easily attach the strap onto the side of the handbag like this. So for the other side, you're gonna do the same. Just attach the strap hook onto the little ring here on the handbag so that it's like fully assembled like this. Unfortunately, this strap is not adjustable, so the length is fixed, just one length. But I just tried, so when you're wearing it, it's not like too long or too low for me. It works well. So I'm not sure if this length is what you're looking for, but you can definitely check out their website to get the size, to get the length before you purchase this item. And here is another design that I really like. Is the closure of this handbag. You can easily just pull up, press up to open. You see it opens like in a very elegant way. I love it. And overall, I think this $89 bag looks a lot more than the price tag. This is definitely luxury. I would definitely keep this handbag in my closet for a while. Honestly, this handbag is not that utilitarian. You can put less stuff in it. Just keep in mind, if you are shopping on JW Pei, a lot of their handbags are minis, and they might not fit everything you want to put in your everyday handbag. So just make sure you check the size, and for the quality, I feel like you don't have to worry about it. It's like high quality. I put a wish list down here in the description. You can just check it out. I think these colors will be really trendy, and these styles will be like super trendy in 2022. Just keep in mind that you can start with neutrals. They have a lot of good colors, like neutral colors that you would definitely wear like a lot. Some classics for your closet, for your wardrobe. And also in this year, I would say just get one or two like bright, bold colors to add a pop of color to your outfit. It'll be super trendy. That's what I'm gonna do. So if you're interested in these handbags, the 3 bags that I got this time, I have the product links in the description. You can go from there. So I definitely post my outfit photos and videos with JW Pei styles on my Instagram and TikTok. My handle is chrishanxoxo. You can just connect with me over there. So this is the end. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!